keep him in prison.
The judge made that decision today in the case of Conrad Truman, who's accused of killing his wife.
Truman was found guilty by a jury and has already served 2 years in prison, but recently had his conviction overturned. Central Utah Specialist Sam Penrod's been following this case since day one and is live at the Provo courthouse for this latest turn of events. Sam?
Deanie and Dave, Conrad Truman's attorney argued that new developments in this case warrant more reasonable bail and argued that it be reduced down to $250,000. But the judge didn't buy it. While he says that Truman may not be a flight risk, he could be considered a danger to society. It's a decision that his family is very upset with.
As the judge stated today, he said that this isn't a game. And I think nobody knows that more acutely than our family, who for 3 years now, and my brother as well, has been falsely imprisoned.
Disappointment from Conrad Truman's family, who believe he is innocent of killing his wife Heidi 4 years ago. She died from a gunshot wound to the head. The defense argues she shot herself. Despite being found guilty, Truman will get another chance to prove his innocence after the judge found police measurements at the crime scene were wrong. Prosecutors insist their case is still strong.
The scientific evidence, we've got his statements, we've got the crime scene, and so I think we're just going to present that out there. And you know what? We're going to trust the jury to make that decision.
We just think he has some issues, so that make him not take responsibility. He's never mourned my daughter. He's never acted like he cared she was gone.
Heidi's family disputes she died from suicide, saying she had never been suicidal, and after her death, heard allegations she was a victim of domestic violence.
Trial is horrendous, but we are in for the long run, and we are thankful and hopeful for the same outcome.
Truman's family says they will continue to stand behind him.
We definitely feel like in the end the truth will come out and justice will be served, but it becomes hard after 3 years.
In addition to the incorrect measurements that won Conrad Truman a new trial, since his guilty verdict, the medical examiner has changed the cause of death from a homicide to undetermined, so it will give prosecutors new challenges if they still take this case to trial, and also give the defense new options to raise reasonable doubt.